Welcome to Atex, a leading producer of high-quality electronics components made in Italy. Our company has been in the business for producing electronic components for over 50 years, and we take pride in our commitment to quality and innovation. We offer a wide range of products. All of our products are designed and manufactured in Italy using only the highest quality materials. We use state-of-the-art equipment and we employ experienced technicians to ensure that every product we produce meets our exacting standard. When it comes to electronic components, there are many reasons why it's important to choose products made in Italy. First and foremost, our products are of the highest quality. We use only the best material and we employ the most skilled technicians to ensure that our products meet or exceed industry standards. Having employees who speak multiple languages can be a great asset for any company looking to expand their business globally. Not only does it allow for better communication with our partner from different countries, but it also demonstrates a commitment to providing the best customer service support. For us, it's important to communicate effectively in their customer's native language. It can help to build trust and establish a stronger relationship. Overall, having employees who speak multiple languages is a valuable investment for any company looking to expand internationally and provide the best customer service support. Thank you for considering our company for your electronics component needs. We are confident that our products will meet your needs and exceed your expectations.